Everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a tutorial video. It's going to be earring tutorial video. We're going to be making some stud chain dangle earrings. Okay. Now I grabbed these studs. I call them studs. I don't know what other people call them. From Hobby Lobby, but you can kind of find these anywhere. If you look on Etsy or Amazon, anywhere, you can find these types of these types of earrings a lot of different places. And they have a little loop there where you can put a dangle on it, a charm or a chain or whatever you want to do. So this is going to be a fairly easy tutorial, but it's done to help new jewelry designers want to make something easy and fabulous at the same time, and also for the folks who've been doing jewelry for a long time. Maybe it's something just to kind of inspire you, maybe to make something else that you haven't made, or maybe you haven't made in a long time. Okay, so I made this one already, and it's so cute. I tried it on. It's really cute. Now, I made these from two different. Well, one of the chains is short, and one of them is longer. Okay, so that's what they look like. I have my camera kind of close, y'all, so you can see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is the back of the earring, obviously, and then I just put a jump ring on here. Okay, I put a 5 millimeter jump ring on here. And the longest chain is 4 inches, and the shortest chain is like 3.5. But you can make the size of the length of the chain anything you want. It depends on how you want it to look. I just was kind of playing around with it, and I kind of like this length. I didn't want it to be too long, but you can make them as long as you want or as short as you want. And really, it's just very simple. So you get your little stud pieces here with the loop on there, so you can put your dangle on there. Okay. All right, so you see that? That's the dangle. And then you take your jump ring, whatever color you have, silver, gold, or whatever. And this is like a 5 millimeter. You can use anywhere from 4 to 6 millimeter, depending on the size of the chain you're using. You just open it with your pliers. Okay, you rock it open like that. And what I did was I just put it on the loop there, and I just attached the chain. Now this chain is a little fussy to attach because it's so small. So it took a little bit to get through the little piece here. Well, that went on pretty easy. And then what I did was I just took this side, I held this side, and I just attached it on the other side, right? But I don't think it matters really, but that's just kind of the look that I was going for. So you see that? Okay. I see that? Yeah. Okay, kind of, yeah, kind of like that. And then just do the opposite with this one. So just hold the jump ring with your pliers and attach the shorter chain. Well, let me open this just a little bit more. And I'll talk about the chain in a second here. Give me a second here. I just wanted to show you how they look. They look really cute on. And these make great gifts too. So if you want something easy and fun to gift to people, or for the holidays or whatever, birthdays or whatever, this is something really cute, and it's not a whole lot to it. It's just really cute. It looks fabulous because I've seen earrings like this in the store, y'all, that are very expensive. I was like, what? you know. So I wanted to use this chain because it's thin and light and wouldn't be heavy on the ears. So okay, so I got the chain on there, and I'm just gonna rock the jump ring back and forth and close it, and this should be done. Okay. Now, again, I would say that think about the type of chain that you're using, because you don't want the earrings to be too heavy. And look at that. They look expensive to me. They look really expensive and pretty. Let's see if I can put them in my hand. You can see them. Well, they won't. Here, let's just do them like that. There we go. There we go. Look at that. So pretty. Isn't that pretty? Those are pretty. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So you can make these however you like. I pulled out some regular chain I had in my drawer. You could use something like this, some thin. It has to be very light and thin chain, for the ears. It can't be too heavy. And then I got this online somewhere. So if you need, I don't know, I don't have a link for this or anything. I don't remember. Well, I do, but I'm not saying it. I'm gatekeeping a little bit because I no longer work with that company. But you can find this probably on AliExpress or somewhere like that. Okay, AliExpress, Amazon, places like that, right? It's just thin little chain with balls on it, with ball beads on it or whatever. So this is what it looks like. Let me see. So that's what it looks like, okay? You can get chain anywhere, chain with beads on it and that sort of thing. So it kind of doesn't matter, but I love these. These are so pretty and they look so, elegant and really cute. So I just love those, right? So let's put them like this so we can see. Oh wait, hold on. See, look at it one more time. So that's those. Those are what those look like. Now I have these particular ones, these pink ones here. Okay, these are the little pink. I don't even know what this is. Maybe ceramic or I don't know, some kind of little plastic or whatever. Whatever. They're really cute. I actually use something like this. I know it's flashing out. I got this at Joann's. You can cut these to whatever length you want. If you don't like them this long, you can make them shorter or whatever. You can put charms on them or beads or whatever. I like these a lot. I think they're really pretty. So I think that I want to try. I thought about, well, let me see. Let's see if this works before I even cut that off of there. I thought about something like this. Right? Don't see, those would be pretty. Ooh. I would need 4 of those, right? Would I need 4? I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and try that. Okay, I like those. That's another charm dangle we can have. Okay, let's just cut that off. And these are like one piece, but you can make this, you don't have to go buy this. So all you got to do is put a jump ring here and then just, cut your chain and then just add it to the jump ring. And that's where you have your dangles. So those are just kind of ready made and just really easy, and that's why I like them. I didn't have to like sit here and cut the chain and measure it and all that stuff. So I just wanted something just kind of cool and easy, just throw on some pieces, So we're going to make those. And then these are beautiful. So I may save these for something else. Obviously, they're really pretty though. And I think that these were probably, I think they might have these in the Hilly and Joe. They were probably on sale, maybe $5 or $6, maybe something like that. So really cute. All right. So again, you can look up all the stuff online. I don't have any links for any of the stuff. Because I bought it in store. So yeah. All right. So let's try this here with some jump rings. I already pulled some jump rings out. These are 5mm jump rings. 5 or 6. I think anywhere from 4 to 6 millimeters is good for these because you don't want anything too big, because it'll just be too heavy on the ear. All right, so let's try to do this. This should be super easy, hopefully. We hope. All right, let's just open the jump ring up. I mean, it's 2 different color goals, but it's not going to matter because it's going to be so cute. There's the jump ring. Okay, we're going to just put it through there. All right, we're going to close it up. That's it. Simple and easy. Okay. Close it up. All right, so see, simple and easy. And then we can add our little piece here. I think I want to add it on the short piece here. I'm going to see because these are kind of long. So I might cut them down just a little bit. I need my cutters. If I cut them, I'm probably only going to cut a couple of lengths. So maybe 3 off the long one. Okay, just cut 3 lengths off of that. So we'll just take that off, the extra there. And then I will probably take maybe 3 off the other ones here. Okay, so that's an extra piece we don't want. Maybe 3 off the other ones as well. Okay, so we don't want them too long. The excess there, that little piece, we can see it. Let's see. Let's take that off. So 3 rings on each side. I like that better. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Now for these, I'm going to use probably some 4mm jump rings. Maybe they're a little bit smaller than just a teeny bit smaller than the 5, or you can do 3mm. I don't think I have any that small. So I'm going to just use what I have. All right, we'll see how it looks. If not, we'll just, roll with what we have. Without it. Let me see. Let's put it on here. Let's see how it looks. All right. Let's see. And whatever charm you put on here, it can't be too heavy. Okay. So just put your jump ring on there. You rock it back and forth. Well, let's see. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's so pretty. Just a little bit of sparkle. Okay. Just a teeny bit of sparkle. I love. All right. Let's put these on there. And these charms I actually got at Joann's as well. And they have, well, if I can turn it around, I probably should turn it around anyway. They have a little bit of, like rhinestones in them. Okay. See that? That's what that looks like. Okay. So just put that on here. And hopefully it won't be too heavy. And these will be really fabulous. Right? Another pair of earrings that are, that weren't expensive to make, but they look expensive. All right, so look at that. Oh yeah. That's really cute. Look at the little sparkle there. Let me see. Have a little sparkle if they can lay right. So yeah, look at that little sparkle there. Really cute, right? Really cute. Next to these. So you can make a couple of pairs of these. Last time I went in Hobby Lobby, these were, I think, on clearance. I should have got a couple of them, y'all. I wasn't sure, I was like, oh, I already have one, If I see them again, I'm definitely going to grab a couple of more. And even if they're not on sale, they always go 50% off this jewelry shop, so you can grab it there. And you can get whatever chain you want. And any little small charms will work. Okay, so I personally feel like these are very elegant, right? And these are a little dressy. So like if you were dressed, like kind of dressed up, you can wear these, or even just kind of regular. Whereas I think these are a little elegant, like if you're wearing, going to like cocktail hour or something like that. You know what I mean? They're still a little long though, so I would take off a couple of more rings here, which I probably will do. I'll probably take off another 3, so that'll be 6 altogether. 6 piece, 6. Maybe 4, huh? Let's do 4. Let me see. Is it? Well, that's the long one. So let me see. What does 4 get me? Because once you put this on here, it makes it longer. So let's see. 4. Yeah, let's do 4. Okay. Let's do four rings here. All right, so I'm gonna take that back off. I just wanted to see what it looks like because this little charm does add length to them. But if you want like them long, leave them long. Okay. Very elegant though, very elegant and classy, which is sort of my style. Elegant, classy, and sophisticated, but it has a little edge to it. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So this one, I took off 4 or 5 on the shorter one. So maybe I'll just take off 1, 2, 3, 4 on here. Make sure it's facing the way that you want it. And then just close the jump ring. Okay. Right. So cute. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Okay. Let's put this on here so it can hang the proper way. And then that's it. Okay. That's it. And there you have it. All right. So that's a little shorter, but still has length to it, if you know what I mean, if that makes any sense. Right. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, they kind of go spin around a little bit, but you get the gist. So you see, that's really pretty. And they're not quite as long as this. So you have a little shorter pair here and a little longer pair here. And they're both very different. I love that. Oh, I love that. Let me see. Let me try it on. Okay, y'all. This is a perfect length. I just tried it on. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. All right. So cute. Great length here. Let me see. Let's measure just so I can tell you how long it is in case you decide you want to make yours. And then when you make the other one, you'll know, So from the jump ring down to the bottom, it's just about 2 inches. So once you put the charm on, it's going to be 2.5, but just about 2.5 inches. Okay. So yeah. All right. So the longest one is 2 inches. And then what is the shortest one? Let me see here. Let's straighten it out. All right. Oh, here. Let's put it over here so we can see. All right. So, so we're gonna go from the bottom of the charm, bottom of the link here of the chain here to that. So it's about 1.5 inches. So 2.5 and 1.5. Okay, so that's how you can measure yours, however long you want it. I'm wearing short hair right now, but I may be getting my long hair extensions back in at some point. So I think something like this will work great for either one of my hairstyles. So right now, though, I can rock both of these because my hair is short and it's so cute. Oh wow, so cute. Oh, all right. So let me go ahead and finish this other one off, and then I will come back and show you the finished result. Okay. So we are finished with our beautiful stud chain earrings, and they came out gorgeous. Look at that, really pretty. These are my earring cards that I made from my art prints. Okay, so I do have a video on this on my channel, and I will try to find it and link it at the end. All right, so you can see how I made these. This is my mixed media art in the background on my earring cards. I made my own earring cards. So yeah, see that? This is handmade by Stephanie Garrett. I need to give me a stamp, but yeah. So these are gorgeous. It's the first pair we made with the chain and the with the little ball beads on there. Really gorgeous. Look how that looks now. You put it on a really pretty earring card. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Looks way more expensive than it actually is, y'all. Really, really it does. And then I finished these. These are gorgeous, right? Just absolutely beautiful. Okay. So gorgeous. Really pretty. Beautiful. Now let's put them on the earring cards. Let's see how they look. All right. I did this video a while ago, but it's still relevant. And you can make them however you like. I just used my own art jelly prints on the cards and made them on there. I need to probably do some more because I like having my own unique, earring cards. If I don't have any, at hand, any store-bought ones. So this is a great way to kind of put your own touches on your own great way to sort of brand yourself. Now look at that. That is gorgeous, right? Look at the way that they hang there. Just beautiful. So can you imagine these on a table, or an earring thing? Like, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Really pretty. But they look better on this one. I don't know. They're kind of the same size, right? Well, this one's smaller. So maybe, I don't know. I think it looks good on this one. So yeah, look at that. Really gorgeous. Right? Beautiful. That's how they hang. So there's two really cute pairs, right? So gorgeous. And then these are what I have left because I did use a lot of them. I used chipboard and some other stuff. So again, I'll link that video at the end, or at the very least, I'll put it in the description so you can watch it. All right, how I made my own earring cards. You can make your own necklace cards and bracelet cards or whatever you want to make. So that's what I have left. All right, and I'll just kind of put them on here because I want to see how they looked, and they look gorgeous. All right, so you can make these. You just have to find your stud pieces with the loop here. So you can put your chain on there or your beadings or whatever you want to put on there. You can put a strand of beads on here. You can put 2 strands of beads on here, whatever you want. Okay. Again, you can probably get these off of Etsy or Amazon or, just Google them and, or go to your local craft store. Again, I don't have any links for any of this stuff. So I just kind of used what I had because I thought it was cool. I used these charms. I did get these charms at Joann's. They're really cute. All right. And you do get a lot of them on a little, little card there. And I did pull out some other charms, but I'm going to save these for something else. These are really cute. All right. I thought these were really pretty small and cute, but I'm going to use those on something else. All right. So anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. So I just want to do something quick for you. Some quick little fun pieces for you. All right. To get you inspired. Maybe to make something different on your own, make something on your own. So if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below and I'll answer and get back to you. And you can give me a follow on my social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on social media. My link tree is listed down below in the description box. So you just click on the link and all of my stuff opens up. My TikTok shop, my Buy Me a Coffee, the Facebook group, my Facebook pages, all of that is in the link tree. So you can follow me on other, in other places and let me know if you like these earrings, right? Just let me know what you think about them. All right. If you'd like them, think they're cool or whatever. I think they're pretty cute. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.